Hey, future me and YouTube. I am actually playing Xbox, and I made a hybrid cannon. So, yeah. Here it is.
He's bad on screen.
Yeah. Here, I'll demonstrate it. Stop, Darcy. Stop, move. Okay, now I press the button. Wait, that's too low. Oh, too low. See, I've already tested it. And got it. Yeah, let me try this again. I accidentally fired it too quick.
Tell me when to fire it.
Wait, and 1, 2, 3, now.
Hybrid.
Yep, see? Hybrid on Xbox. I just showed you. So here it is of how to make it. Now, you want a button in the corner and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 15, and go down 1, then go 14, and go all the way down to here. So I'll put the button in the bottom left corner. One, kind of like this kind of thing, like a kind of Y. Make this go all the way up here. Put all these redstone repeaters at 4 except for this last 2. Stop. And then by the button you want to put 2 right here. 1 right here. Then put all these 4. And then put 2 redstone right there and right here. Make this right here. And I'll power this. Going to the piston. And then boom, you can just power it up. Put as much as you want right there. Break the sand. I'd say after it all falls, go 1, 2, 3. Fire it. It gives the best shot. Oh, that kind of fail. Oh yeah, that's how you make it. So yeah.